else but Wonder Woman can put a spin on thrills that will leave you breathless. Coming to Six Flags Great Adventure, DC's Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth, the world's tallest pendulum ride, spinning riders through the clouds at speeds up to 75 miles an hour and plummeting 17 stories again and again. Get ready for Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth.
Thank you for watching this video. To be kept in the loop for future family-friendly videos, subscribe to us here on YouTube. You can also like All American Thrills on Facebook or follow on Twitter and Instagram. Be sure to check out the related content on your screen right now.